Okay, so we just learned about Jen Stark and her psychedelic paint drips, and we are going to work together to create a collaborative mural somewhere around the school with these paint drips. So first thing would be our week one. You have a big piece of paper. You're going to get to sketch out your paint drips, and so I figured I would just show you an easy way to make paint drips on your paper. Now, I'm going to use the shiny side, but it really doesn't matter. Both sides are pretty good for this. So you can start with the letter U. And remember, we're filling the whole space, so you want to make it pretty big. And then, like I said, we're going to change the sizes. So make maybe a little U or a long skinny U. And you're just going to draw some letter U's. Okay? Then you can, for me, it's easier to turn it around. And you're going to connect these with more letter U's. Now you can, once again, do long skinny U's or little short ones. And finish off your paint drips. All right, so there's my paint drip. We're going to make sure that we have at least, you can choose if you want to do black and white like her or if you want to do the rainbow color. So you need to have at least 6 spaces if you're going to get through the whole rainbow. Now that I have my general design, I'm going to go through and maybe like 2 inches, kind of go with that same kind of shape. It doesn't have to be perfect. One, two, 3. It's going to be close. 4. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I need 6, so maybe I'll do one more at the bottom. 6. All right, and there are your psychedelic paint drips. So then make sure you line up your colors, or you start, in rainbow order. The way I like to do things is I always like to label things first. So I might start over here and do an R for red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, and then I can continue again with red. That way, if somebody at your table is using the red, you can go ahead and skip and go maybe to your green. So make sure that when you're coloring it in, though, you want a nice craftsmanship. Try to make your lines go all in one direction for your craftsmanship. And fill in the whole space, nice and neat. All right, if you have any questions, just raise your hand. But like I said, this is going to try to go up around the school. We're going to make a nice collaborative piece all together. Okay, so just color in your Jen Stark paint drip designs in rainbow order, and we are going to make our own collaborative public art somewhere in this school. So keep a lookout.